Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Because if the watch is not paired to a phone, you won't be able to set up the alarm clock on it. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Mibro Fit application on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Equipment. And here you should see the Mibro Air on the list of devices. It should say connected. Now you can tap on the alarm clock. Oh, I tapped on the wrong option, I believe. Yes, I tapped on Find Watch. You can tap on the alarm clock. And here we can set up the alarm clock. We can tap on Add To. Now we can set the time by swiping up and down on the screen, like this, to set the hour, minutes. Then we can select the days on which the alarm will be ringing or be active. And we have weekend, every day, not repeating. Also, you can select specific days by tapping on them. For example, Sunday, Saturday, and Tuesday, like this. And at the bottom, we can tap right here and name the alarm clock. For example, let's name it Yes. And once you're done, you can tap the check mark right here to confirm and save your alarm. You can enable it or disable it. You can of course add a new one by tapping Add To, and you can also tap on the alarm to edit it, and here you can change the values or remove it by tapping on Delete, like this. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.